Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign up and log in into your Genshin Impact account. Genshin Impact is a pretty big game right now. It's popular right now. It's an anime based story mode game. It looks pretty cool and yeah, so today we're going to be learning to log in and sign up into your Genshin Impact account. So first of all, go to genshin.mihoyo.com. Once you're on it, click on download and finally click on login. And if you don't have an account, click on register now. And now to sign up into your Genshin Impact account, first of all, you'll have to add your email on the top tab. So go ahead and do that. And finally, click on this send code button. And once you have done that, you have only 60 seconds to get your code into there. So go to your Gmail account and there is going to be a OTP sent by Mihoyo. So copy the OTP and then finally paste it on the verification code tab. And finally make a password down here. And confirm your password. And finally click on this register button below all the information you have just input. Now you'll have to put this puzzle piece into the place where it's supposed to go. So all you have to do is slide this thing here. All right, and your Genshin Impact account should be signed up for. Now all you have to do is go back to genshin.mihoyo.com and on the top right, click on this login button. Enter the email that you just entered while creating your account, and then finally enter your password and then click on the login button. And finally slide this puzzle piece to where it's supposed to be. And congratulations, you have successfully signed up and logged in into your Genshin Impact account. For more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.